Vtuik is a recessed light. It's a 6-pack, 18 watt, 8 inches. It's got Kelvin of 27, 3000, 35, 4000, 5000. So you're able to dim this down to about what is said, 8% and right up to 100%. I don't have a dimmer switch or anything like that, so I'm going to show you how to install and what these look like. We have, here's an 8-pack. You're going to get the square LED recess light. And let me tell you, they are super thin. They got springs that you're going to spread open, put in the ceiling, and lock into place. They have a screw plug-in, and they don't have any other means of sale. So when you do your install, you're going to have to be precise on your cutting. Don't overlap. You get a nice size junction box that you knock out each of the holes. And it opens up from the inside and already has its connectors there for you. Your neutral, your load, and your ground, and you piggyback everything through. So let's go up and show you how to make an install. This is called the template. Let's say I want to put it right about here. I get a pencil, or I could take the edge of my Sawzall and I could start to mark. And now I'm going to cut out my template. I have my leads already ran. So I am going to start to do my work with my AC. I punch out my holes, I ran my lead, and I close everything up, and I put it up in the ceiling. But before I do that, I must make sure what I want on my box, low to high Kelvin. I then take my plug and I start to match up the notch out area. I then take these orange clips and I spread them. And I start to adjust my light. Congratulations! You got your recess in. Plug in your AC. This is the highest Kelvin you got. And we're going to adjust the Kelvin down. As you can see, getting warmer and warmer and warmer. This is the lowest Kelvin. I'm going to shut the light off so you can see what it looks like better. As I brighten up my Kelvin, I'm going to brighten it up again, and again, it gets cooler. This is how recessed lights are installed. They're piggyback, one on top of the other. You have a 6-pack, 8-pack, 16-pack. These are great for your house. Super thin. They don't get hot. They give you the diffuser as a template. Very, very easy to install. I want to make sure if you make a mistake and you need to take the lights down, you grab it, and all you do is take one side, pull, and work the other side, and you're able to get inside to do your changing. You got a kitchen, a bathroom, a living room, a hallway, a den, living room, anywhere imaginable. Put on a dimmer switch, put on a circuit switch, anything you can imagine. A remote control. Some of them even come with smartphone applications and changing colors. These are excellent, super thin, recessed light. Throws a lot of light if you're looking for something like this for your apartment, studio, storefront, etc., etc. I hope you enjoy the product and the how-to. I am Fish, and I thank you very much for joining and watching the video.